Here's Maggie's room. Walk in the door. There's the little princess on the floor. Say, hey, I was up again all night last night. And there's the changing table with the pictures and the gowns. There are the pictures. Here's the other shutter with the gowns. There's my gown when I was little. And the curtains. The only thing I have left to do is cover the chair. Put something over the bed. There's the bassinet and the fireplace. And then there's the dresser with the mirror. And then if you look up close, that's an old doorknob that the mirror is hanging from.